Kemin Industries is a global company that manufactures ingredients that go into human foods, pet foods, animal feeds, aquaculture. In addition, we manufacture vaccines for animals and a variety of other specialty chemicals. Kemin was founded in 1961 by my parents, R.W. and Mary Nelson. Originally, R.W. worked for a company that was manufacturing flavors for animal feeds. He came up with the idea for a mold inhibitor for animal feeds. His current company was unwilling to go into that area of manufacturing. So he decided in December of 1961 to start the business. R.W. and Mary always had the idea that manufacturing was really the essence of capitalism, to be able to actually make something that people would pay money for. So we began really very early in manufacturing our very first products at the site here in Des Moines that we still have as headquarters. That manufacturing was one of the real value adds that we really had for all of our products. In other words, we never had a third party manufacture the products. They were made by Kemin. Importantly, quality was always a key part of Kemin products, and I think this was an ethos that R.W. and Mary brought into the business. Today still, we do 100% quality control on the active ingredients of every kilo of product that we sell. So it remains a very big part of the culture of the company. In addition, manufacturing is one of the things that we strongly believe in, and so as we've gone through the years, further investment in manufacturing has occurred not only in Des Moines, but at our international locations as well. We foresee that in the future, manufacturing will remain an important part of what we do, regardless of services that we provide. The products that we will provide will always be central to the Kemin culture. Well, obviously, I think that it's a great honor for me to be able to stand up here and talk about their achievements in manufacturing. It really was the foundation for my career here at Kemin and my ability to be able to grow the business also during these years. There's no question in my mind that your parents are able to teach you enormous things, not only about how to live, but also in business, to be able to teach you how to be able to really run a company and to be able to understand how to grow a company. To this, I am extraordinarily grateful. And at this time, with my father passing away in April, and now my mother here today, it really allows us to be able to honor them for all the achievements that they made.